Hello, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Lynn. I'm a customer service rep here at WarmlyYours Radiant Heating, and today we are discussing our TempZone Easy Mat kits. These are a great solution if you're looking for spot heating or if you only want to add floor heating to a small space. These are designed to make electric floor heating a simple, accessible, and easy option for any room. Radiant heating is a really great way to add extra comfort and luxury to your home without a lot of extra work or cost. It offers enhanced comfort and improved energy efficiency, and this is really because electric radiant heat actually operates by heating the objects and the surfaces in a room. This means those objects, including yourself, are directly heated instead of relying on air circulation or trying to just kind of push a bunch of warm air into a space. You're actually going to be warming the actual floor, the actual objects, things like that. This means it's an efficient way to warm up the space, and it also results in better indoor air quality as well as better quality heat. So our easy mats, like I said, are a really great affordable option for electric floor heating. And the reason is because this can give you a targeted heating solution for your living spaces. These are pre-sized for incredibly easy installation with no cutting or customizing needed, and it efficiently warms the areas that are very specifically that you're looking to heat very specifically. So, in front of a kitchen sink, in front of a vanity, in front of a toilet or a tub, something like that. This is going to be a really great way to provide consistent, even heat where you need it the most. Our easy mats save both time and energy costs and make warmth simple, efficient, and incredibly accessible for any home and any budget. Easy mats are a really great way to add warmth beneath a wide variety of flooring types. So, depending on the installation method, you can use easy mats to heat underneath tile, stone, most types of vinyl, and even some kinds of laminate and carpet. It needs to be fully embedded in thin-set or self-leveling concrete, so it's definitely something to consider when you're looking at purchasing a easy mat. You do want to make sure that you're planning to fully embed it in, again, either some kind of mortar, some kind of self-leveling compound, to make sure that it's not exposed to the air at all. You also want to make sure that these are going to be fully embedded, because then you're not going to end up with any kind of floor height differences. These are incredibly thin. These mats are only an eighth of an inch, so they really don't add much of a height difference to the floor at all, especially when they are fully embedded. Also, these, when fully embedded, are rated for wet locations as well as for in showers, things like that. So they are not only CUL US listed, but they're also rated for wet locations, making them very safe. And it also adds a little bit of extra comfort to those locations because it's going to help the floor dry a little bit faster as well. So, one of the things you want to make sure that you are thinking about when purchasing an easy mat is that you want to plan ahead a little bit in terms of picking out the size and the location of where your mat is going to be installed. Some things to keep in mind is that you want to make sure that you're getting the coverage and the size that you need, as these cannot be cut to size on site. They can't be shortened or cut any smaller, so you do want to make sure that you're purchasing the correct size. If for whatever reason you're unsure of which size will be best, you can always reach out to us at Amazon Live at warmlyyours.com. That's Amazon Live at warmlyyours with two Y's.com. Something to consider when planning your heating is you want to make sure that you are avoiding any installation under permanent fixtures. So you don't want to go under any kind of flat bottomed cabinets, tubs, toilets, things like that. You also want to make sure that you're going to be staying about 4 inches away from the wax ring in the toilet and about 3 or so inches away from the walls of the room. So the installation method is actually incredibly easy. It really is just 6 simple steps. One of the first steps that you're going to take is you do want to test your system. We recommend doing this at every step of the installation and actually testing the system when you receive the product as well. Even if the installation day is a few days, a few weeks, a few months down the line, make sure that you're testing it so that you know that you have a working product to start. You'll want to use your digital ohm meter, like I said, before, during, and after most of the steps of this installation process. Next, what you'll do is you'll simply lay out your mat and secure it to the subfloor. You want to make sure that you're starting with the lead of the mat near where the thermostat location will be, so that there's not a lot of cable running to have to do. And you also want to make sure that that mesh side, the green fiberglass mesh, is facing up. At this point, you'll attach your circuit check. This does come with our Easy Mat kits, so you don't even have to worry about getting another product. A circuit check is something, like I said, that we provide in that kit. It's a small alarm or device that will set off an alarm when, if and when there's any kind of damage done to the mat during installation. And this is especially important when you're putting down, again, your mortar or your self-leveling compound. Once your circuit check is attached, then you'll lay out your mortar or self-leveling, you'll install your flooring over the top, and then you'll want to make sure one more time that you are checking this with your digital O-meter and that everything is working properly. At this stage, you'll want to have a licensed electrician come in, make sure all local electrical and building codes are followed. They'll wire this up with the thermostat that comes with your kit, and then you can say goodbye to cold floors, hello to warmth. We like to say that a heated floor is literally luxury you can feel in your own home. Our Easy Mat kits are a really great way to add some of that extra luxury without having a lot of worry or thinking that you'll have to do. Because these do come as kits, everything that you need to add that floor heating system is going to come in the box ready to go. So we have some different options available. We offer kits with different types of thermostats. So we have non-programmable thermostat options, and then we have a variety of programmable options, including one that is Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled through an app on the phone. We also include your circuit check and 2 floor sensors to make sure that everything that you need is going to be right there, ready to go. If there's ever questions, if you need assistance from us, if you run into problems or concerns during the installation, we offer 24/7 technical support here at WarmlyYours, and we are always available if you need any assistance, if you have questions, if you're unsure of which product you need or how to install it, or you would like to do any troubleshooting. Definitely reach out to us day or night. We'd be more than happy to assist. We want to make sure that you have your really nice, luxurious, comfortable, warm system running during the cold months as they encroach on us. It's already in November, so this is going to be a really great way to add some extra comfort into your home this coming winter. That's all I have today. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay warm and be radiant.